Let's be honest, a lot of modern houses are clean, sleek, and maybe a little boring. We've embraced the open concept life so much that we've accidentally erased the cozy corners and clever details that really make a house feel like a home. But the solution isn't some wild new trend, it's hidden in the past. Today, we're digging up 10 forgotten home features that need to make a comeback, not just for their charm, but for their seriously smart functionality. 1. Transom windows. Way before central air was a thing, these little windows above doorways were genius. They let air and light flow between rooms, even with the doors shut for privacy. It was a simple, elegant fix for stuffy hallways. While we have tech for that now, they're making a comeback for their looks alone, adding a touch of classic character that can brighten up any home. 2. Laundry chutes. Can we just appreciate the sheer brilliance of the laundry chute? It was a time-saving marvel that felt like a secret portal in your house. Dirty clothes could be dropped from an upstairs hallway and sent flying down to a laundry basket in the basement. They mostly vanished as home layouts changed, but we definitely lost a bit of magic, and a whole lot of convenience. 3. Sleeping porches. On a sweltering summer night before AC, families had a brilliant way to stay cool: the sleeping porch. These screened-in rooms, often on the second floor, were the perfect spot to drag a mattress and catch a cool night's breeze. With our current obsession with indoor-outdoor living, bringing these back as airy sunrooms or breezy reading nooks just makes total sense. 4. Sunken living rooms. If you feel like your open-concept home is one giant, undefined warehouse, the conversation pit was the original solution. Popular in the 60s and 70s, these lowered areas created a cozy, intimate zone for gathering without putting up a single wall. It's a clever design trick that beautifully defines a space while keeping that open, modern feel, and it's no wonder they're seeing a resurgence. 5. Milk doors. This feature is a true blast from the past. It was a small cabinet built into the wall, with a door on the outside and another on the inside. The milkman could deliver fresh bottles of milk without ever stepping foot in your home. It's more than just a door. It's a charming piece of history from a time when our homes were designed to connect with our communities in small, thoughtful ways. 6. Picture rails. Why are we still poking endless holes in our walls just to hang art? Older homes had the perfect solution: a simple strip of molding called a picture rail that ran near the ceiling. You could hang art from hooks and wires, allowing you to redecorate as much as you wanted without a single nail hole. It's so practical. It's honestly baffling we ever gave it up. 7. Boot scrapers. Before every street was paved, this little iron fixture by the door was an absolute necessity. It was designed for one simple purpose: scraping the mud and muck off your shoes before you walked inside. While we might not be trudging through as much mud today, it's a functional, humble detail that adds an incredible touch of antique character to a home's entrance. 8. Dumbwaiters. Long before home elevators, there was the dumbwaiter. This was a small, hand-operated lift used to haul everything from meals to firewood between floors, an absolute game-changer for saving labor in larger homes. While many were sealed up over the years, finding one in an old house is a fascinating link to a time when convenience was literally built into the walls. 9. Speaking tubes. How did you call someone to dinner before intercoms? You used a speaking tube. These brass tubes, often with fancy mouthpieces, snake through the walls, letting you talk to someone in another part of the house. Not just a cool gadget, they were often decorative pieces in their own right, adding a touch of steampunk style before steampunk was even a thing. 10. Breezeways. A breezeway does exactly what it sounds like: it catches a breeze. This covered walkway, usually connecting a house to a garage, was designed to maximize airflow and help keep things cool. It also doubled as the perfect shaded spot for relaxing, effortlessly blurring the line between inside and out. That's our top 10, but we're sure we missed a few. What's one forgotten home feature you'd love to see make a roaring comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. From the simple genius of transom windows to the quirky charm of speaking tubes, it's clear that older homes were often built with an ingenuity we've started to lose. In the race toward minimalism, We've sometimes traded character for a streamlined look. But maybe the future of home design isn't just about inventing the next new thing, but about remembering what was already great. It's about building spaces that don't just house us, but tell our story.